Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the vlog. Today we are taking Miss Riley to her grandma's. Are you going to grandma's? Yeah, you love grandma's. Jaywaz and I are going on a little trip just for a couple of days to the Smoky Mountains. We are going to be doing some hiking and just spending some time up in a cabin by ourselves. We're very excited. I am pretty tired. I ended up working yesterday, which usually I take Sundays completely off of work because it's like our Sabbath, but we wanted to like finish everything so that we could actually chill on this trip. So we are driving to take Ry to my mom's and then we are gonna head east. We just dropped Riley off and made a quick stop at Dick's Sporting Goods to get Jaywaz this giant water bottle because I also got one. These are 36 ounces. They're huge and we thought they'd be great for hiking, and then also we're gonna be doing some hiking in, is it September? We're gonna go to Colorado. We're gonna be doing some hiking in Colorado as well, so we thought it'd be nice to just have some of those and for basketball and tennis. So did that. We stopped at Costco, we got some paleo bites, some trail mix, and we are off to Gatlinburg. Stopped for a coffee and snack, and also Jaywaz is buying a piece of gear in Knoxville. So we're meeting someone in the next 10 minutes to grab some gear from. What'd you get?
I got a sun-dried tomato, spinach, and feta scone.
And what's your drink?
It's an iced vanilla oat milk latte.
I didn't get a drink, but I did get this gluten-free and dairy-free blueberry donut. We made it. There were definitely some moments where we were like, our car is not gonna make it up. Guys. Okay, first of all, this is our cabin. She's cute. There's our hot tub. Heading upstairs. Ooh, our loft. Wow.
Oh, hey.
Wow. Oh my gosh. I am grateful. Look at this view. I mean, good work booking the Airbnb.
Thanks, dog.
We are heading back out to go to the grocery store, trying to get everything done before we settle in because this place is, seriously, you just want to like get in the hot tub and just chill. So we're gonna go get some groceries. And I think we're gonna just do sandwiches tonight. This is the market. We're just gonna try to find what we need here. It's so tiny. Get some beans, some cereal, Cheetos. What? We decided to just make it work. Jaywas was like, this is fun, let's just figure it out. So, we've got literally just a plastic bag of meat, a plastic bag of cheese, and then who knows what else we got. All right, we're gonna do a quick grocery haul because I cannot get over what we just bought. Spent $50 on this, let's just keep that in mind. Okay. Hot dog buns. Generic.
Got $2.99 plus tax for a can.
$2.99 for a can of beans, plus tax, plus a card charge because they charge you extra if you don't have cash.
$3.99 for
the most
8 hot dogs.
basic looking hot dogs I've ever seen. Then we got Hostess bread, but we did get the wheat bread. There's probably sugar in this, honestly. Only 70 calories per slice. Maybe it's not that bad, but on the back there is, what'd you get? Elm Hill bacon, eggs, 12 eggs. How much were the eggs? $3. A gallon baggie of cheese and a gallon baggie of ham.
Turkey was $7.99. Sorry, fam.
Paid $8 for this. Jaywas just went out to grill, so I'm in charge of the beans. We just finished dinner on our porch with that insane view. It's so funny because we are so high up and we're like at the very, very top of the hill. So as other cars are trying to get up the hill, you can literally hear them like struggling up the hill because it's just so steep. But dinner was actually really good. It was kind of fun to have something that was like very campy. So just, you know, hot dogs and beans. Felt very in the woods cabin kind of dinner situation, but we're probably going to hot tub and just chill for the rest of the night. Tomorrow we are gonna go hiking. We really wanted to do some hiking and it says it's supposed to rain, but it also said it was supposed to rain like all day today and it hasn't at all. So we kind of think maybe tomorrow we'll get lucky and it actually won't rain. But this is kind of an impromptu trip. We decided that we just wanted to get away for a little bit and to kind of disconnect and get off our phones. So we decided we would vlog, but we really wanted to like not be on social media. So we're gonna pack up the dinner, clean it up. Jaywas is waiting to take the dishes. And then we're gonna go hot tubbing. We ended up hot tubbing and then the thunderstorm rolled in. So we rinsed off and I've got on my sweats and pajamas. I'm trying to find the light that goes over the pool table. Thought it was that one, but that's for the porch. I don't think there's a light. I might have to go upstairs. Jaywas is playing with his new toy. We picked this up in Knoxville on the way. What is it?
It's a Yamaha PS55.
He got it for a really, really good price, so that's kind of why we did that stop. I cannot find this dang pool table light. I'm gonna go upstairs and see if it's up here. I don't know why it would be up here, but I don't know, I just have a feeling that maybe it is. This is for the porch. Guys, look at this. Oh, it's pull. Every time I push, it's pull. It's raining. You can see the smoke, literally like the fog on the mountains. Unreal. You can sit in this hammock. I turned off the light so you guys can see better. Y'all, this cabin is such a dream. I will link where we stayed down below because it is the most stunning view. And it's so peaceful in the rain.
They're green.
They're green.
That's right.
Jaywas made us some decaf coffee. Oh, it smells so good. We thought about ordering in some food, but then we were like, we should probably just make it, although it probably costs the same. Well, yeah, it does look a little expensive, but what isn't expensive on vacation? I've only played pool like for fun twice in my life, so we're just gonna do a quick game of pool. Look, what a happy little surprise.
This might be a good
Short stick for me. I just woke up, but I wanted to show you guys this view right now because it had been raining all night. It's supposed to stop raining in the next like 30 minutes, but look at this. Clouds like resting on the mountains, the fog. So pretty. Love you, J-Waz. We just found a bear. And it's gonna go near our car. He's sitting down in the grass. Oh my gosh! We had literally just come out here and set all of our food out on the table, and J-Waz was praying. He was like, thank you God for this view. And a black bear just came over. This is our car. This is the bear. Oh my gosh, this is not real. This is not real. Oh my gosh. Don't worry, we're like 4 stories up, so it would take him a little bit to get up here. Oh my gosh. Look at him.
I can't believe this.
Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 he's chomping. We're eating inside now for obvious reasons. We literally were like in the middle of praying. We just took all of our food out there, and J-Waz was, thank goodness, was praying with his eyes open. He goes, thank you God for this amazing view. And oh my gosh, Chloe, there's a bear. And I start picking up my plate and fleeing because we're out there with food. And he's like, no, babe, get the camera, get the camera. And I'm like, we need to leave. That was amazing. But now we're eating our breakfast. We brought our own condiments. We brought Texas Pete hot sauce. I don't know, it's making us rethink our hike now. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. We are on our way into the park and we saw another bear. And this one was huge. Maybe like, would you say twice or 3 times as big?
Probably at least twice as heavy, I bet. Like,
the thing
was big,
was
yeah.
ginormous.
Definitely big.
Definitely an adult bear. So we're hoping that's the last one. And I hope that they don't get any bigger as well. Have you turned around yet?
Whoa. Whoa.
We made it to the lodges. Slammy time. Trail mix. Look at this. Nice. We finished our hike. 11 miles. 4 hours and 45 minutes. Was it 26,000 steps? Straight to the hot tub. The Jawas is dead. We love our cabin. Maybe our bear will come back. We ordered pizza. We also ordered pizza in, so we're doing great. We got our pizza delivered. Oh, it looks so good. I gotta wait for Jawas. It's coming back out, but nothing better than a pepperoni pizza after a long hike. We just packed up. This morning we got up at 6:30 and we watched the sunrise. We made breakfast. We actually got in the hot tub as well, just one last hurrah. But we've packed it up and we cleaned it and everything. And we're really sad to go. This place was awesome. I'm gonna miss it. What I'm really gonna miss the most though was this porch and the view. We saw 3 bears while we were here. Isn't that crazy? We saw 3. But we're gonna do one last kind of quick little hike. Not even really a hike, just like a walk. And then we're headed back to Nashville. Sad to go. Drove 50 minutes into the park to do this one last little walk. It's like a paved path that's half a mile, but it's supposed to have a really good view. In classic Chloe fashion, I forgot to end the vlog, so I thought Riley could help me end this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed going to Gatlinburg with us. It was honestly such a good trip for Jason and I to just spend time together and just recharge and reconnect, and it honestly just makes me want to go on more sporadic trips like that. I feel like deciding to book the trip is so hard for me, but once I do it and I'm there, I am like, why don't I do this more often? But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here and you want to stick around for some more videos. And we will see you guys in our next one very soon. Bye, y'all.